Okay, so this time the problem is written in mathematical statement and you're going to illustrate it in a Venn diagram. Letter A. On separate the Venn diagrams like the illustration at the right, shade the region representing the following. Not in A. So this is another term for A prime, or the letter A with a dash on top. That means everything that doesn't belong to A. Here's your Venn diagram. Okay, you have to cover the circle A and then shade the rest of it. Okay, not in A. So this shaded area does not belong to A. Okay, number 2, in B. So shade the whole circle of B. Because they are in B. In B but not in A. So cover the circle A and shade the rest of B. You cannot shade the overlapping area because that part is also belong to A. The word here, not in A. Okay. Number 4, in either A or B. So that overlapping area belongs to A and B. So that's the part that you are going to shade. Letter B. Students must choose 5 of the subjects listed alongside for their grade 8 studies. Ruth chooses mathematics, English, geometry, art, and music. Shelley chooses English, science, Chinese, art, and woodwork. Let R be the set of subjects chosen by Ruth and S be the set of subjects chosen by Shelley. So here are the subjects. List all the subjects as your universal set. And then R is a set of subjects chosen by Ruth and S is a set of subjects chosen by Shelley. So you write down the whole subject in your universal and R for Ruth and S for Shelley. Then cross out the common subject that Ruth and Shelley are taking. Okay, they have English and art. First thing you have to write down in your Venn diagram is the English and art on the center, and then write the remaining subject on this side for R. So you have mathematics, geometry, and music. And then write S, the remaining subject, science, Chinese, and woodwork on this side of S. Then cross out what you write on the 2 sets. You have already mathematics, English, science, geometry, and history. Since history is not on R and S, you have to write it outside, right here. Then you have Chinese, art, music, and woodwork. So only history is written outside of set R and set S. So that is your illustration of your Venn diagram. Okay, for number 2. List of subjects chosen by both Ruth and Shelley. So look at the overlapping area of your Venn diagram. So English and art are chosen by both R and S. Okay, letter B. Ruth and Shelley, but not both are. So cover this area, cover the center, and write down mathematics, geometry, music, science, Chinese, and woodwork. Okay, in your question here it says, Ruth or Shelley, but not both. So the word here is or, but in mathematics, the or is addition. Alright, number 3. Shelley, but not Ruth. So the question is, how many subjects were chosen by Shelley, but not Ruth? So Shelley took 5 subjects. So subtract 2, which are English and art. So Shelley has only 1, 2, 3. Or cover Ruth here, because it says not Ruth. Cover the circle R, and then what are left are science, Chinese, and woodwork. That is your answer. Shelley has 3 subjects. Shelley, but not Ruth. 5 minus 2 equals 3. Okay, letter B. Neither Ruth nor Shelley. So only history is the only subject that they did not take. So your answer is 1 subject. Just take note the word neither. Neither means none of them took the subject. Okay. Okay, that's it.